Hello, welcome. Let's solve for x in this nice math solution. We're given x to the power 2, x to the power of 2 minus x to the power of 3 equal to 33. How do we find the value of x in this expression? Now, factorization is the deal, right? Now let's look at how we can use factorization in solving this. This looks like more of a polynomial expression. Let's find out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more simplified math content. For the fact that we have the greatest power to be 3, that means we should have 3 solutions from this math expression. Now let's get started. From this expression, I can simply take off the 36 to the left hand side. And if I take 36 to the left hand side, I'm going to have x squared minus x to the power of 3 minus 36 to be equal to 0. Now what I'm going to do is to rearrange the expression so that we have the highest power coming up first. And what's the highest power? The highest power is negative x to the power of 3. So I have negative x to the power of 3 plus x to the power of 2 minus 36, and this will be equal to 0. Now from that expression, I can work with negative x to the power of 3, so I have to multiply both sides by negative. So if I multiply both sides of the expression by negative, I'm going to have that expression to now give me x to the power of 3 minus x squared plus 36, and this will be equal to 0. Great. So what do I do from here? My factorization now comes in. Now let me take out this value of x to the power of 2. From this expression, negative x to the power of 2, negative x to the power of 2 can give me the expression my positive 3x squared minus 4x squared. Now if I simplify this, what do I have? I'm going to have negative x squared. So I'll apply it into that expression as x to the power of 3 plus 3x squared minus 4x squared plus 36, and this will be equal to 0. Great. Now from this expression, I can expand to find the values of x. Now if I expand this, I'm going to find out that these two expressions, something is common over here, and that is x squared. So if I bring out x squared, this divided by x squared, I'm be left with x plus, and here I'll be left with 3, right? And something is common here, and that is going to give me what? 4, right? And so if I simplify this, this is going to give me x squared plus, that is going to give me a negative sign, right? Because negative is going to give me plus, and 36 divided by 4 is going to give me 9. So I'll have this to be equal to 0. Good. So if I expand that expression, I can have my x squared x plus 3, and this will be negative 4. This can be x squared minus 3 squared, and this will be equal to 0. Now let me take out this expression. If I take out that expression, I can use a diff of 2 squares. I'll have my x squared multiplying x plus 3, and then I'll have my negative 4 multiplying, expanding that, remembering the algebraic formula, I can have a diff of 2 squares, and then I'll have x plus 3 multiplying x minus 3, and all these will be equal to 0. Great. Now do you see that I have x plus 3 and x plus 3, I'll factor out x plus 3. If I have x plus 3 comes out, all those expression is going to give me x squared. This divided by x plus 3, I'll have my x squared minus all these divided by x plus 3, I'll have my 4 multiplied by x minus 3, and all these will be equal to 0. Great. Now if I simplify that expression, I'm going to have x plus 3 multiplying x squared minus 4x plus 12, and all these will be equal to 0. Great. It's zero product rule. From this, I can have my x plus 3 to be equal to 0, and I'll have my x squared minus 4x plus 12 to be equal to 0. So from here, my x can be equal to -3, right? And that is the first solution, x1. So from this, I can find my second solution. Considering this expression, I can say my x squared minus or plus my bx plus my c is equal to 0. So from here, my a is equal to 1, my b is equal to -4, and then my c is equal to 12. Now using a different law I'll use to simplify this expression such that I'll have a different value. I'll have the other two solutions, which is going to be a quadratic formula, but I'm not going to use a quadratic formula. I guess what I'm going to use, if I make this expression y to be equal to x squared minus 4x plus 12, that means if I find my dy dx and then equate it to plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, I'm going to find the value of x. Now if I differentiate this expression, I'm going to have my dy dx of that whole expression, x squared minus 4x plus 12 to be equal to plus or minus the square root of b is equal to -4 square. I find this method much easier. Multiply by 4 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 12, right? And if I find the differentiation of this, is going to give me 2x minus 4, and that will be equal to plus or minus the square root of, this is going to give me 16, right? Minus 4 times 12 is going to give me 48. So I will have my 2x minus 4 equal to plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 48 is going to give me a -32. And so I can simplify that to give me 2x minus 4 equal to plus or minus -32 multiplying square root of -1. And remember that the square root of -1 can be equal to I, right? So I'll have that expression to be equal to plus or minus the square root of 32 can still be broken down to 16 multiplied by 2 and all multiplied by I, and this is going to give me 2x minus what? Minus 4. Great. Now if I simplify that, I'll have the right hand side to give plus or minus the square root of 16 multiplying the square root of 2i, and then I'll have my 2x minus 4 to be equal to that. So this is going to give me plus or minus 4 root 2i, and this is gonna give me 2x minus 4. So what do? I'm going to expand this, and this will give me my 2x to be equal to 4 plus or minus 4 root 2i. So since 4 is common, I'll have my 2x to be equal to 4, 1 plus or minus the square root of 2i. And if I divide here by 2 and divide here by 2, 2 will cancel out 2, y 2 here will become 2, 2 here will become 1, and then I'll have the value of my x to be equal to 2 plus or minus 2 root 2i. Great. So the value of our x1 was equal to 3, right? And then our x2 can be equal to 2 plus 2 root 2i, and then the value of our x3 can be equal to 2 minus 2 root 2i. And these are the possible solutions to that math question given to us up there. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget giving it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and subscribe to my channel for more simplified math content. Thanks so much for watching, and enjoy a fruitful 2025. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.